Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid cleanser. First, always begin with a clean slate by wetting your face with lukewarm water. This prepares your skin to receive the full benefits of the cleanser. Next, dispense just a small, pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this powerful ingredient. Gently massage it onto your damp skin using upward, circular motions for about 30 seconds. To maximize the benefits, focus on areas that feel dry or need extra hydration. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, providing intense hydration. Let the cleanser sit on your skin for about 30 seconds to allow the active ingredients to work their magic before rinsing. After cleansing, rinse your face thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Ensure all cleanser residue is completely removed to prevent any irritation. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid harsh rubbing. For optimal results, apply your favorite moisturizer within 60 seconds of drying. This helps to seal in the hydration provided by the hyaluronic acid cleanser. For most skin types, using a hyaluronic acid cleanser once or twice daily is ideal. If you have very sensitive skin, consider starting with once a day. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before full facial application. This ensures no adverse reactions occur. Store your cleanser in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy for up to 12 months after opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.